So, in yesterday's tutorial, we saw what is like how to make what is if statement, not like I was just confused again. So, how to make a better calculator in Python? And in today's video, we will see what is loop. So, first, what is loop? So, let me say you just print from 1 to 1000 numbers and it should be printing it. So, what will you do? You will just write print and just whatever. Like you will write here print, then two brackets and then one. Like that, you will go till 1000. So that's not a very like adorable way or very easy way to do. So what is the way to do it? So in that case we use a loop. So first loop type will be like there are two types of loop. Basically there are two types of loops. Okay, while loop and for loop. For now I will teach you while loop and then for loop. So for using a while loop, first we have to make an variable and I'm just giving the variable value 0. We have to give it. Then we will write while I is lesser than or equal to 10, it should print nothing. That means it will print the number. Then I is plus equals 1. That means now what is it do? It is just saying that what is I first. The while loop is okay, I is 0. So till I is lesser than or equal to 10, I mean this shouldn't be lesser than, it should be like, yeah, it's okay. So till the I is greater than or equal to 10, um, yeah, yes, greater than or equal to 10, it will print nothing. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. And after it prints 1, it will just plus 1. So it will print 2. Like that it will print. So you can see the result. Okay. Now the terminal will take some time. Let's wait for that. Okay. Okay. So you saw it didn't print anything. So we have done a mistake there. So what is the mistake? Let's see. Okay. So the mistake is here that I have not given one thing, that is here. I think so it should be like this. Okay, let's see now. I'll say why I'm doing like this. Okay, you saw that it didn't print now also. So the correct thing behind it is I am saying you. So the reason behind it is like, okay, I went for washroom, that's why I paused it. So the reason behind it is like here you can see I have given code just to show you I have gave it. But the actual thing here we have to write is the variable. Yes, without writing the variable, how can we print? Like here I just did something else. So leave it. So now you can see it just printed all the thing. Okay. Yes. And you can see that. And one more thing, while I went to washroom, I added this, leave this for like I just wanted to show that we are done with loop. So now just think of something this much. So what will happen? Let's see what should happen there. So now it just stopped. Okay. Now you can see it is just randomly, not randomly, it is just printing one by one, one by one, one by one. And it will be printing till I just don't stop it. So I have to stop it. Okay. So we are done with it. Now let's play with it. Like so. I have given the value of I is 0, right? I will give it 1. Okay. and instead of doing plus equals 1, I will do plus equals 2. So first it will print 1, then 2, it will print the 3, like that again 2, so it will print the 5. That means it will print the odd numbers between 1 to 10. So you can see that. Oh my god, it just didn't stop. That's why sometimes I don't like VS Code. Whatever, now we have to wait some more time. No problem. Yeah, so you saw it 1, 4, 7, 10. Leave the 10, just think that it have to print like that because this is not a for loop that it will not print that. Okay, for that it printed it, so no problem with it. So to fix it, we are doing something like not equal to, we will do till the time it is smaller than 10, pre-printing. That means you will see what will happen. So it didn't print 10 now, it just printed the odd numbers. So you will be thinking, why the hell did it print 4? So here I have just messed up. Why 1? We have to do it 0, right? Always, you know what will happen. So you saw that. Now it prints the correct thing. Yeah, this time it printed correct thing, the odd numbers. I think so. Like here again, it I have messed up. So the thing is, like I have to think something else for that, but what to do? I have messed up with the mathematics. So we have to think something, and that's what I want to give you project. So today's project is you have to make a while loop that will print the odd numbers. Yes, this is the reason behind that why I am not doing it with odd number, because I wanted to give that as a project. I am not making any type of consequence. This is the truth. Always I could just do it what to do. I know what to plus with it. I will show you it for some time and then just prove it. So after we are done with this, we will just do one more loop that is known as for loop. I just told you about nested loop, but I don't think so. Today I should tell you about nested loop because I think so. I should wind up today after for loop. So what is for loop? For loop is the same thing as while loop, but it will be done in just one line of code. Just see this. This is so much important. Okay. So how to write a for loop? Just write for, then something like wait, I forgot to make the variable. Like here, I will write a variable of letter. Then I will give the value of part of codes. What am I writing? Part of codes. Okay. Then for after that we'll write like what to write for letter, because letter in actually let's see, we should not, I forgot that we should not make a variable because the variable thing will be also made in for loop only. This letter is the variable in partho codes. Just we have to do this much. Okay, one thing I forgot, that is this. So we are doing it, and then partho codes, and after that colon, and then print letter, simple thing. Okay, print letter. So we are done with it. So what are you thinking that it will print? It, you can do the same thing, like it can print 1 to 10. That's the another thing. I just did it a bit advanced level to show you guys. Okay, so here the thing is, I am saying for letter, so it made a variable. You can see it is showing variable in Partho codes. You see, so it is an unknown word. It will show like that because this is a name. Okay, so in Partho codes, so that says that for loop. See, I'm making a variable which is letter. In that, the value is part of course. Then you will print the letter. So you will print the letter variable. The value of the variable is part of course. Then it will print PARTHA and CODES one by one. You will see that how. So just watch, it will print. Okay. So there we got an error. So connect and try again. Okay, check the spelling of the name of part was included. Okay, something is wrong here. Let's check again. Like why is it not okay, it took it. There was an any type of problem, I think so. So you can see the sensitivity is too much. Let me just make it a bit enlarged so you can see that. So you are seeing that this is part of course you can see it. So this is pretty much good. So for today's tutorial, this is pretty much done. We are done with it. So meet you in next tutorial. Till that time, bye bye.